What if you could converse with an AI that truly understands how you feel? Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Higgsfield AI's most groundbreaking capability, a soul advanced emotional understanding and expression that creates truly personalized and empathetic interactions. Higgsfield AI Soul goes beyond simple keyword recognition. It's designed to interpret the nuances of human emotion. Imagine tailoring your AI's responses, not just to what you say, but to the way you say it. This means when you're feeling down, Higgsfield AI can offer genuine comfort. If you're excited, it can share in your enthusiasm. This isn't just about avoiding negative sentiment. It's about actively fostering positive connections. The magic lies in its adaptive learning through your interactions. Higgsfield AI builds a unique emotional profile for you. This allows it to express empathy in ways that feel authentic and deeply personal, forging a bond that goes beyond mere functionality. This advanced emotional intelligence isn't just about user satisfaction. It's about creating experiences that resonate by understanding and mirroring your emotions. Higgsfield AI Soul significantly enhances engagement, making every interaction more meaningful and memorable. Discover how Higgsfield AI's emotional intelligence can transform your digital experience. It's not just AI, it's connection.